Hello students, I hope you are fine. Dear students, today we will discuss about inverse of a function. Inverse of a function. You know, if we have one function with the mapping x to y, one function with the mapping x to y, where element in x is a, b, c, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, image a as 1, b as 2, c as 3. यहाँ आप देखिए ये कौन सा टाइप का फंक्शन है. वी हैव डन टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप देखेंगे ये ऑन टू है या नहीं है. 1 1, yes it is 1 1, but not on to because 4 have no pre-image, not on to. क्लियर. अब मैं इसका इनवर्स लेता हूँ. So in case of inverse 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C. So 1 with A, 2 with B, 3 with C. Now, क्या ये फंक्शन होगा? According to definition of function, you know about when a function in which each element of domain have image in codomain. तो यहाँ देखिए 4 के पास कोई भी इमेज नहीं है, so not. It means क्या क्लियर हुआ? If a function is not onto, if a function is not onto, then it is not invertible. अगर अपना फंक्शन कोई ऑन टू नहीं है तब ये इन्वर्टिबल भी नहीं होगा. नाउ अनदर एग्जांपल, मैपिंग ऑफ x to y, a b c 1 2. इसको देखिए, ये कौन सा फंक्शन है? You know, many one. It is many one function. It is many one means many to one. अगर हम इसको इनवर्स फॉर्म में लेते हैं means 1 2 A B C, तो 1 के साथ A and B. तो क्या ये फंक्शन की प्रॉपर्टी को सेटिस्फाई करता है? No. You know, dear students, A, B, one have two images. One have two images, but the function property is each element have only unique image. So it is also not a function. Clear? So it means if a function is many one, then not invertible. Not invertible. Clear? Now another example, A, B, C 1, 2, 3. Now you can see here it is 1 1 because 1 to 1 have relation, and also on to, also on to. Now अब आप इसका इनवर्स फॉर्म लेना 1 2 3 A B C. Clear? Now it is also a function. Clear? So it means a function is invertible when it is 1 1 and on to. Here you have seen not on to, not invertible, not 1 1, not invertible. here 1 1 and 2 both, so it is invertible. Clear? So a function is invertible only in the case of 1 1 and on 2. A function is invertible when it is 1 1 and on 2. A function is invertible when it is 1 1 and on 2. Clear? And when we will prove, या we will find out inverse of a function, तो first आपको क्या proof करना है? Function is 1 1 and on 2, or after that we will find its inverse. Now let us see some example. If we have an example, fx is real to real and such that fx is 3x minus 2. Find f inverse. Okay, we need to find inverse. Very easy. First you will find its 1 1 and on 2 condition. You have done already. Okay, so now for 1 1 let x1 x2 belongs to real. कौन से रियल से? We have two real here, means domain से. x1 x2 belongs to real in domain such that fx1 is equal to fx2. Okay, now 3x1 minus 2 is equal to 3x2 minus 2. Minus 2 cancel. Now 3 to 3 cancel. x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Clear? Now for on 2 let y be any arbitrary element such that fx is equal to y and y belongs to real. Arbitrary means changeable, and fx is equal to y where y belongs to real. Which real? कौन से real से belong करता है? We have two real, तो y belongs to real here, codomain. Clear? Now what is fx? 3x minus 2. Now value of 3x is y plus 2. Value of x is y plus 2 by 3. Now dear student, you know if y is real, therefore किसी भी रियल में अगर आप प्लस 2 करेंगे ऑल्सो रियल, बाय 3 करेंगे ऑल्सो रियल, ये पार्ट रियल है तो therefore x is also real. Clear? So it means f is on 2. F is on 2. Either you can say f is bijective. F is bijective. So here f is bijective, therefore f is invertible. Clear? Now f is invertible, then how will you find its inverse? Only two lines parts. You know fx is equal to y, taking transpose of f, आप f का ट्रांसपोज लेंगे तो f किस में चला जाएगा? इनवर्स में. Clear? Now what is value of x? Value of x is y plus 2 by 3. Okay, so it is f inverse. If in the form of x, y की जगह आप x लिख दीजिए. So we get x plus 2 by 3. Clear? In this way you can find out inverse of a function. Now let us see next problem. Now S is with A, B, C and T is 1, 2, 3. S, T, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 and A with 3, B with 2, C with 1. Okay, you can see here F is 1, 1 and on 2, so it is invertible. And here F is A3, B2, C1, therefore F inverse is interchange, means we can write A3 as 3A, 2B and 1C. Clear? It is F inverse. But if we have another part, F is in this form, A1, B2 and B3. Either you can say C2. Then find its inverse. In this form, आप देखेंगे dear students, A, B, C, A have 1, B have 2, C have 2. So it is not on 2. So we cannot find here F inverse. Clear? Now let us see next example. Now our next problem is, if we have a mapping natural to R and fx is 16x square plus 8x plus 9. Now our question is, prove that f is invertible in its range and then find f inverse. Means जो इसमें सेटिस्फाई करेगा उस पार्ट के अंदर फंक्शन क्या है, इनवर्टिबल, and find its inverse also. So we have another method for find the inverse of a function is, first we suppose fx is equal to y. We suppose fx as y, and you know what is fx? 16x square plus 8x plus 9. अब यहाँ से आपको x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, क्या निकलेगा. तो देखिए, अगर इसको मैं कंप्लीट स्क्वायर में चेंज करूँ, a स्क्वायर 2ab, तो इनटू क्या लेना पड़ेगा हमें 1, 9 को मैंने ब्रेक किया 1 प्लस 8 और 1 को लिख सकते हैं 1 स्क्वायर. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, 8 को इधर ले आइए, तो ये किसका होल स्क्वायर होता है? यू नो इट इज द होल स्क्वायर ऑफ a प्लस b. सो इन द सेम वे इट इज होल स्क्वायर ऑफ 4x प्लस 1. क्लियर? एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 4x प्लस 1 इज under the root y minus 8, or we will take only positive. The value of x is y minus 8 minus 1 by 4, and we suppose it is gy. It is gy, y minus 8 minus 1 by 4. So now we have two functions. One is fx, another is gy, and gy is y minus 8 minus 1 by 4. Now we have done one question to find the inverse. First आपको क्या करना है, फंक्शन को प्रूव करेंगे 1, 1 and on 2. Either you can say bijective, then find inverse. Another way is, we will find another function put equal to fy of fx, that is gy. अगर आपके पास टू फंक्शन है तो हम यहाँ कंपोजिशन निकालेंगे, f o g into y निकालेंगे एंड g o f into x निकालेंगे. क्लियर? अगर ये हमारा यूनिट x आ जाए, ये यूनिट y आ जाए, then you can say fx is invertible. Clear? Dear students, if we have two functions f and g and their composition means FOG and GOF is unit, then also function is invertible, and the inverse of both the function vice versa means inverse of fx is gy and inverse of gy is fx. So here you will find FOG. So FOG into y is f into gy, and gy is under the root y minus 8 minus 1 by 4. So put it into fx, that is 16 into, देखिए fx अपने पास है 16x स्क्वायर 8x प्लस 9, x यहाँ है. अब आपको ये वैल्यू जहाँ भी x है वहाँ पुट करना है. इट मीन्स 16 into under the root y minus 8 plus 8 into y minus 8 minus 1 by 4 plus 9. नाउ इसको सोल्व करेंगे आप. a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab बाय 4 स्क्वायर 16, 4 2 is 8, 2 into y minus 8 minus 2, ये स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल. सो y minus 8 plus 1, y minus 8 minus 2 plus 9, ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कैंसिल. So here minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 minus 2 plus 9 plus 7, so we get only y. Means FOGY is equal to y. y को कैंसिल कर देंगे तो FOG is unit y. Clear? Similarly you can find FOG. Now we can find GOFX. GOFX. So that is g into fx. So what is fx? 16x square 8x plus 9. अब g में जहां पर भी y है आप ये पुट कर दीजिए. You know gy is 16, sorry, under the root y minus 8 minus 1 by 4. What is y? 16x square 8x plus 9 minus 8, 16x square plus 8x plus 1 minus 1 by 4. ये होल स्क्वायर है डियर स्टूडेंट, 4x plus 1. So square square would cancel. We get 4x plus 1 minus 1 by 4, only x. Clear? So here our GOFX is x and FOGY is y. So f is invertible and f inverse is gy and g inverse is fx. Clear? So dear student, you should try to solve the problem based on inverse of a function. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.